There he is. Oh, he's a tank, isn't he? He is a tank. He's gonna come flying out of the water. Yep, now he knows he's hooked. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How are we gonna edit this big fish out?
Yeah, well, you've done it before.
You've done it. Look at this. Here you go. Oh yeah. Look at.
Here he comes. Strike. Yes, nice job. Got it. Ah!
Nice.
Hey.
TV fish. TV fish. He read the script.
That's brilliant.
My man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at this guy. Look at that strip set, baby. Look at it. That's a 20-inch fish.
Yeah.
He's gorgeous. Praise the Lord. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, baby. Yes.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Ain't gonna fit in the net, dude.
Come through, come through, come. Yeah, nice job.
Nice.
Hey.
Had a man. Nice. Oh, there he is. It's a big fish. A really big fish. My man. My man. My man. We gotta get a picture of this. Look at this guy. Look at this. Holy. He's a huge bull. He's a freaking huge bull, my man. Give it to him. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, can you say these words? Can you look at him and say, stick around for more Fly Rod Chronicles?
Stick around for more Fly Rod Chronicles, is what you said?
That's awesome.
Say it one more time.
Stick around for more Fly Rod Chronicles.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, is that the movie that he's making?
That was a movie you're making.
Fly Rod Chronicles?
Yeah, that's it.
Barb and the other girl are us.
Yep.
TV.
You got that.
I'm gonna go get another taco.
We'll go get another taco. I am too. Let's go get a taco.